involved during binary fission. Now, having discussed this about mitosis, let's delve into the second type of cell division. And the second type of cell division is called meiosis. Second type of cell division is meiosis. Like I told you when we started the discussion on mitosis, I told you to take note of some important facts about mitosis. And we looked at 3 important facts of mitosis. Let's also compare in terms of meiosis 3 important facts about meiosis. Now, in terms of meiosis, 4 daughter cells are formed. Remember, in mitosis, it is just 2 daughter cells, but in meiosis, we have 4 daughter cells. And these 4 daughter cells, they are haploid. In mitosis, we said they are diploid. But in meiosis, we call them haploid. Now, the reason why they are referred to as haploid is because they have half the number of chromosomes as in the parent cell. So in other words, if the parent cell has 46 chromosomes, in the daughter cells, each of the daughter cells have about 23 chromosomes. So they have half the number of chromosomes as in the parent cell. Now, another thing to take note about meiosis is that meiosis occurs in reproductive cells, mostly cells that undergo sexual reproduction. Remember when we talked about mitosis, we said that mitosis occurs in cells, somatic cells, and one of the examples of somatic cells we gave was cells that are involved in asexual reproduction. So, but in terms of meiosis, it is involved during sexual reproduction. Please take note of some of the differences. In some wire questions, theory questions, you might be asked to give about 3 or 4 differences between mitosis and then meiosis. And then final important fact to note about meiosis is that meiosis occurs in the formation of gametes. Gametes in terms of plants and that of animals. Now, in terms of plants, the 2 gametes we have is the male gamete and the female gamete. The male gamete in plants is called the pollen grains, and then the female gametes in plant is called the ovules. So in other words, meiosis occurs in the formation of the pollen grains and the ovules in plants. Then in terms of animals, the gametes in animals include the spermatozoa, which is the male gamete, and then in females, the female gamete is called the egg. So we can also say that meiosis occurs in the formation of the spermatozoa and in the formation of the eggs in animals.